I wish I could pull up in front of your crib. You would hop right inside of my crib. Throw your back.
Hey y'all, it's Chellina Achol, the Sudani mommy. Hey yay! The DIY DIVA. As you can see from the title, we're going to be putting up some floating shelves. I have actually 2 different types of floating shelves we're putting up today. I went and got all these supplies at Menards. For today's floating shelves, I have these ones. They come with everything inside of it. I'll have everything linked down below. These ones, they have the bracket. All you need is a power drill, a drill bit, and a level to make sure it's straight. I'm gonna have a level. There's a level app on your phone though. So I have 2 black ones. Those are gonna go in my bathroom. And then out here in my living room, these like tannish ones, I'm gonna put those right here. One right here, one right here. I'm thinking about having, I'm not sure, maybe some of my favorite movies. Something like entertainment-esque. One will be right here, and then one will be right here. For the brackets to hold them up, I'm using these guys, these big heavy, the same one. I bought 2 for each one. Just keep watching. I'm going to speed roll through this portion and just watch me work. Pretty straightforward. Just make sure you measure out everything so it's straight. That's probably how I'm going to avoid using a level. I think it would help to use the studs. I'm not putting too much weight on these, so hopefully they'll just stay, but my drywall is actually trash. If you saw my TV mounting video, you know it is like powdered sugar. Packed together. That's legit. All those walls are. I'm not sure. I think I'm gonna just try to put it in 2 different spots. It should be pretty stable. Join the fam. I like making helpful videos. I do it myself. I'm not the greatest, but you will learn from me. Learn what not to do and what to do. And it's also like enough encouragement, inspiration to be like, if this girl, the DIY diva, can do it, anybody can do it. Until next time. Okay, so here I am just measuring exactly on the wall where I wanted it. I wanted it towards the center, symmetric apart from each other, and using the length of it. Now I'm putting on the brackets. I want them like 3 inches apart on either side, so they're at the exact same spot. By the way, I did get these boards and brackets at Menards. They didn't come together as floating shelves. I just thought they looked nice and would match my bookcase, so I used them as the floating shelves. But they were just a slab of wood. They came in different sizes and a bracket. That tool drill kit I just hold up was just a bunch of drills that I got from Target that I was using. These screws were actually a little too big. They were longer than the width of the board. So be smarter than me and get screws that are actually smaller or that will fit and just enough to go through the bracket and into the board and not come through on the other side.
I wish I could pull up in front of your crib. You would hop right inside.
Here I am using the same measurements on the opposite side and screwing these ones in as well.
I don't want no phones. Got your girl calling, talking about come home. I know you know I want you all to myself. Yeah. 'Cause
Here you can see the screws are just a little bigger. They come out the top a little bit, but I didn't mind. This is me just screwing in the second one.
Everybody wants to get away from their everyday life sometimes. Everyday life sometimes. Everyday life sometimes. Do what they love.
Now the marking I had earlier, it was pretty easy. I started with the drill bit, made the holes, and then I put in the little plastic anchor screws. Did the same thing on the other side, and then drilled in the screws, and voila, we're all done. I love how it elevated the look. It made it more homey and personable. And now for the bathrooms, I also got these floating shelf set from Menards, but they came with the brace inside it as well. So it was the same thing, just measure out where I want it. Drill bits, use a little plastic anchor screws. Screw the drill in the screws through the plastic anchor on top of the bracket, and then just slide in the floating shelf, and then there's like little mini screws on top that hold it together. And voila, I just threw on a little waterfall on it, and here's the other one on the opposite side. You can use them for decor, hold towels, whatever. It's simple and easy, and anyone can do it. Hope you guys enjoyed this and it was helpful. Bye guys.